Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good evening, our evaluators. Today we are here to present on the ideas of Mana2Mart project, which is an online shopping system. First of all, let me introduce our group members first. My name is Muhamad Haikal. This is Muhamad Shairiey. That is Nur Adilah, and that is Farah Nabiha. Mana2Mart is actually a mimics of mart that we create in order to develop this project. Okay, in order to, during the development of this project, we come out with three main problems, which is overspending of money, lack of knowledge in item promotions, where customer have to go to the mart itself in order to know about the promotion, and the final is inconvenience delivery times, which is available online shopping system has deliveries in a specific time only. Okay, next due to this problem, we come out with an approach to create Mana2Mart system with the features of barcode scanners, navigation, search bar, item checkout, delivery to the customers, view item, and manage smart list. For the Mana2Mart behalf, we have the features on update dashboard, analytic dashboard, and monitor delivery. Okay, benefit of our Mana2Mart is divided into two, which is customers and Mana2Mart itself. For the customers, we have plans. We help them to plan their budgets for grocery shopping and also help them to save times and energy. Okay, for the Mana2Mart behalf, they will able to analyze the sales of their products, and we will help them to strategize promotion for their business. Our main competitor of this app is Binding Online and Tesco Online Malaysia. Both of these online shopping systems have inflexible delivery time. For the Binding Online, the item can be sorted by price, but their weakness is only one shopping list can be created at a time. For the Tesco online system, they are not providing any price comparison for their product.
We have just several architecture specification requirements. First one is performance. Since in our system we have to collect data, we have to make sure the data collected will have high performance. So the data collected will be stored in the SAP for HANA, and as the response measure, it should be able to store huge amount of data collected without any interruption. Next, for the SSR security, the functionality to validate PayPal through our system need to have high security. When users try to log in to the PayPal account, it should only allow correctly identified customer to access to data and services, and the authorization is in less than 5 seconds. Last one, for the interoperability, since since we have collaboration with Uber, so we have to make sure that Uber and our system can interchange information. So when customer requests for items delivery, our system, Mana2Mart application will redirect customer to Uber application with authorization in less than 5 seconds.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is our conceptual model. So if you can understand, we having an inflexible delivery time. So we collaborate with Uber driver through Uber system. So we using SAP Cloud Platform for our interaction with data. So that is our Mana2Mart and customer sites, and this is our server side. So from this, we also using the SAP BW4 HANA data warehouse for our analytics in our cloud platform. So here is Mana2Mart database for reporting and repository, and from the SAP BW4 HANA, which has integration of analytics itself. So we have a data analyst that can analyze data and make report based on how to strategize promotion based on inventory and everything. I will explain this after in the deployment diagram. Another one is how to validate transaction based on the payment, which is we can scan by our QR code and will be help our gateway will be validate. Okay, next. Okay. A use case diagram. So this is our use case diagram, which have a few actors, which is the customer, data admin, data analyst, merchant account, Uber driver. So like I said just now, we collaborate with Uber to make our delivery and to using Uber, and we will validate the payment using a PayPal for our gateway. So this is our usability from the customer, municipalities, view items, common sense, and we have navigation also. And this is our data analyst, which can analyze and strategize our promotion for future sales.
So now for the activity diagram, we actually describe activity flow from when the customer made a purchase and until the end. So first, the activity will initiate when the customer search for item, which is search for item, and when the system will check if it's found, it will be moved to the next activity. If it's not, it will iterate the activity flows, and yes, you will continue to activity view item, and then add item in the smart list. And for after the customer add item, the system will check if the item is in stock or not. If it's not in stock, it will again iterate the activity. If yes, it will continue and check out. And if the customer choose not to check out, the customer can choose to manage the list. If the customer choose to check out, and the Uber will receive the delivery order. And for the Mana2Mart side, we will generate a QR code and invoice, and then the activity will go to Uber again, and for the Uber will pick up the items, and then it will make the delivery, and then it will back to the customer. And when the customer make payment and the payment is validated, it will go to the receipt item, and the activity will be end. If it's not, the customer have to choose make payment. And next is the state chart diagram. For the state chart diagram, we choose to do a state on the grocery item. The state will be initiated when the customer search for the item, and the state will be available. And then another event will be the customer add item in smart list, and then there will be two stimulus or two events that can be occurred. First, if the item is out of stock, the state will be changed to unavailable, and the state will be stopped. And if it's in the stock, the state will be changed to reserve, and then customer choose to check out order and extra. So next.
Okay, now I'm going to proceed to the component diagram. This is our component diagram. We are divided the component diagram into 6 main subsystems, which is the Mana2Mart is the for customer itself, the analyst, for the data analysis, for the warehouse is for the SAP BW for HANA for the analytic and the storage of our system, of our product database. And next for the accounting is for the customer to make the payment. And next is the administrator, is for the administrator to monitor the Uber delivery to the customers and the monitors of the stock of our inventory. Next, we are regarding the Uber system itself, we collaborate to get the driver to deliver our product to our customer.
Okay, next is our deployment diagram. As you can see here, we all use an example of Android device. Here you see the execution environment, and this is our SAP Cloud Platform, our hardware. And inside our SAP Cloud Platform, we have the application server and SAP Video for HANA for our data warehousing. So this is our web service API for Uber also, because we need to use API for our Uber to integrate with our Uber system. And this is our payment gateway using PayPal. And this is our database, which is Haikal just explained just now. So each of the connection using database and our SAP Cloud Platform using data JDBC, and it is using JavaScript object notation. And this will be our security will be using the secret socket layer for the payment for the PayPal. So this is basically the component inside our SAP Cloud Platform, and this is our application server and using PHP server as well. So that's it.
So now we move on to the demo. So since we don't have enough experience or knowledge, so we were able to only make a simple demo for the apps. And if it click on the make delivery, then it will direct to the
This is because we don't have access for Uber API, because we have to apply for the access. So we just use a deep link to mimic how it works when we push the delivery button, and we can see that our Mana2Mart can be situated, and the driver will pick up the object, our item, and will send to our customer, just as usual delivery of customer using car.
So that's all
That's all
from
from us.
us.
Thank you.
Boleh saya tunjukkan?
Yeah.
My first question, I don't quite understand about how this Mana2Mart works in a way whereby are you starting your own store, or is it you're utilizing existing stores?
This is actually a mimic. Mana2Mart is actually a mimic for the marts that we create for this project. Actually, Mana2Mart can be changed into Giants. It's actually a real store that wants to buy our system.
Okay, so it can be implemented for Giant,
Yes.
for Tesco. So the business model here is not whereby you recruit existing merchant, whereby customers can buy products from Giant, Tesco, and Mydin at the same time. But it is rather something that we go and pitch to Giant and see if they would want to implement something like this. Is that right?
Yes.
Right. Okay. I just need to understand that. So I want to understand whether it works like Lazada, where merchants can come in and join, or is it its own store? Okay, so I suppose it's its own store lah in this case.
Similar like Tesco lah.
Yes, similar like Tesco, tapi apa extended capabilities lah. Okay.
Upgrade lah.
Okay.
Okay. Problem segment, for me, good. Problem segment is actually compare with existing application, the problem for the user lah, compared to Mydin or Tesco and etc. But your approach, for me, a question lah. Your approach, the solution. Have you studied why you choose Uber? That's all. why you choose Uber? Have you checked with Uber? Is it possible to integrate with them?
How about on a similar question? Have you researched the market? What is available for you to integrate with in the market currently? What other providers are there in the market apart from Uber?
I will research why the Tesco and Mydin use their own transportation, why they not use the another transportation like Uber, and the cost would go to the cost, because we use the Uber, right? We can pay the transportation.
Very difficult for them to answer. Why Uber? Right. Why Uber? Because I don't think Uber can deliver groceries. I'm not sure.
We choose Uber because first of all, because we want to make the delivery is in the real time, so customer can get our product in the real time. Because for the deliveries of the groceries, actually Uber provided the features, but not in Malaysia, in outside. In Indonesia, they have features on delivers groceries to customer.
And there is also an app for Uber Eats, where it delivers food, so I think it is possible to deliver also.
Okay, for me, better don't mention you use which platform, Uber, whatever, because you can have multiple providers actually. Like transport, you have bus, you have taxi. So I think
In a way, what they try to show in the application is that it's something that the customer can see at the time. Things are coming and where the products are right now.
yeah, unless you have you have engagement with Uber, can do this and that, and then with good costing, then I think you can mention Uber. Right now, for me, I don't think you should mention the Uber. Okay, and then I think another one is the PayPal. This also I don't think you should mention, because why PayPal? We are Malaysian, so you are talking about Malaysian market, groceries. So how many people in Malaysia using PayPal?
Because most of the Asian users use PayPal for their
Malaysian. Talking about Malaysian. Because you compare to Tesco and Mydin, you know, compared to IKEA or IKEA Thailand, IKEA Malaysia. So I mean, your approach must focus on the problem statement. Your problem statement is focus on Malaysia. And example, the Mydin and Tesco. So I think the payment gateway, I can suggest that you have common banking using FTX. So that's why when we mention the approach, you must be careful because it affected your overall presentation.
If I look at when it comes to external integration, right? You have logistics, you want to go with Uber, and then payment gateway, you want to go with PayPal. But assuming that this is something that you will pitch to Mydin, for example, right? Assuming you're pitching this to Mydin, I think the option for external integration should be made or offered or available with options, right? For example, you can just simply mention Uber, Grab, or maybe there are other services currently in Malaysia that provides last mile on-demand delivery. There's Zoom, there's Zepto, there are quite a few more. Drop-in, all those provide last mile on-demand delivery. So if you were to mention more than one. Don't limit it to just one. So
unless that's the best approach atau the best you have calculated the cost, everything, the agreement, everything, then I think you can mention lah. You can be very specific. So another thing is, okay, you propose that Mana2Mart, Mana2Mart app, so you want to sustain in the market. How about how you sustain the operation? Where the revenue comes? How you do the calculation of that? Do you have any study or statistic? That's also very important because technology is there, but it looks like based on your technology partner, I think quite expensive.
I think when Azhar mentioned about revenue or costing and how do you sustain, I think that was why I asked what is the business model is, whether you're including merchants, you're taking a cut from every transaction, or are you just pitching to Mydin just pay me like 100,000 every year, then that's it, kan? So to make it worthwhile your time and your efforts lah, kan?
We don't actually do any research whether it means, so I think it's our
Okay, so you present based on what?
based on
In a nutshell, just simple.
what we want to provide for the community, what we want to build a system for team smart city. So we come up with this.
Are you have experience to buy groceries from Tesco?
We do have, so looking at the apps because they are researching for the existing apps for our idea. So yes, because the main focus here is how we gonna deliver the info at certain time, right? And so we try to focus it there. And like Mr. said that we have to cannot be too specific in choosing the platform.
Generally, I think it is a good solution if it can be implemented. The question is about cost, whether it's worthwhile to be implemented or not, and secondly about the integration with third-party services, payment gateway, logistics or not. So if you were to provide this, and you only rely on one provider, that provider goes kaput or doesn't want to work with you anymore, then that could be a problem lah, kan? I think in Malaysia, when it comes to payment gateway, there's a lot more. There's MoPay, iPay, FPX, JomPay, whatnot. Those are more familiar to Malaysians, and those should be the priority if you ask me. And I think those delivery services pun should be looked into. Should have mentioned other providers as well, not just Uber.
So for future, I think just need to do more on reference, study, and then clear your objective, but with reason, with proof. It's not assumption. So it's good. I think go that way to convince the customer or whatever. Technically, I think there is no issue. It's a logic. The technical part is logic, but you need to consider everything you present, consider the expectation of the audience. To operate, you need to know the cost. At least you compare with the market. You can do the statistic or screenshot whatever price by Uber, by Grab, example, or whatever delivery. At least you understand the market. Okay, that's all.
Thank you.
Thank you.